Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to upload 4K videos on Facebook. If you want to upload 4K videos on Facebook, follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, you have to go to Gallery. Now select the video that you want to upload on your Facebook. Now what you have to do is check the details of the video if it is in 4K or not. Or when you're capturing a video, simply capture 4K video. Then go to Facebook. Now import the video to upload. Make sure not to upload it right away. It will lower the video quality. Wait for some time to load the video totally. Now you can upload your video. So that's how you upload 4K videos on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.